What's up, girls? It's your girl Tiarra Monet. And we are back with another haul, as you guys can see. Now, I saved one of my boxes so you guys can just see how beautiful they are, but I just don't have the space for it, honey, so you know I had to open it up, consolidate, condense, you know. Anyway, before we get started, I'm gonna need you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right now. Thank you. And I'm really sorry for the noise, but they are literally building a skyscraper directly in front of my building. Brooklyn, for you. The company that I will be trying on clothes from is called House of CB. I mean, just look at how cute these boxes are. So I got a few pieces. My birthday is coming, holiday season, Christmas, New Year's, parties, launches. So your girl just had to, you know, be snatched. So I got a few pieces from them, literally a few. I will list all the pieces in the description box as well as the size and price. So I have a launch party coming up really soon, so one of these gotta work for me, okay? So yes, all of these items have a date, time, and event attached to them, so let's just hope they fit. Let's get right into it. So the first piece is this really pretty neon color, and this is all the rave this season, like neon, especially on this cocoa. It's popping. So this is the Valentina yellow dress in a size large, and it does have some stretch to it. What I like about this dress is it kind of has like a built-in corset. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a little underbust corset right here. So dope, you know, lift the girls up. Mine's, you know, they're abnormally big due to this damn birth control, so they're kind of starting to, the gravity thing is happening to me, so I'm never mad at a little underbust help. So let's see what this looks like. Oh guys, so I definitely needed some help to zip this up all the way, but let me tell y'all, this dress is sucking your girl. You guys can see the underbust magic sorcery stuff going on here. I definitely feel pretty supported. It's not like a bra. I think it's more for design because it's obviously sheer so you can see it, but I really like that. I couldn't zip the dress all the way up. Struggle city. But this is the back.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night. And I know
I think this might end up being my little birthday dress, guys. What do you think? The color just looks so bomb. All right, House of CB, come through with the quality. This next outfit is deliciously loud, and I'm here for it. I've seen so many Insta baddies in this outfit, so I was really hyped to get my hands on it. So the set is the Vela silver and the Margarita silver together. They're both in a size large. Now, this is the top, guys. I'm technically a C cup, but I'm a wide C cup, so I usually wear D because I get a lot of bruising here. So as you guys can see, I do have a little bit of side boobage, but I think this top is super sexy. I don't mind it at all. I've kind of gotten over my little stretch marks here, so I don't mind showing them. I used to like always wear like long sleeves because I had, you know, these stretch marks, but who cares, okay? You get one set of arms, but this is the top and this is the bottom. This is Kim K all the way, and it fit perfectly. I was really nervous because you guys know this booty is next level, okay? I hope I'm not ashy. I feel so cute in this outfit. I really like it. Definitely like New Year's, like I can wear this summer, winter, you know, throw a nice fur over this, you'd be good to go. So I'm really happy with the quality of this. Like, the one thing about House of CB, the quality of their clothing is definitely reflected in the way they price it. So if you're like looking to look like fashion, like House of CB, such a comfortable like middle place for me. I'd compare House of CB to like the birthday outfits, the New Year's outfits, like quality clothing. That's just all it is. This next piece was a struggle to get in. I think I'm sweating a little bit. Whew. This is the Italia Bodysuit. I know you don't see anything right now, but it's in a size large, and it is definitely very, very sexy, okay? Now this is something I had to get a large, obviously, because like I didn't know how the seat would work, so I always go bigger because I don't know if it's a full panty, but it is a thong. The large fits me good. I would just probably have to do a double-sided tape on this part because my boobs again are super wide, and just fitting a little weird into it, but I still love it and I'm still gonna wear this. But I would just simply tuck my tits in like that and then do double-sided tape and it'll fit flawlessly. Now this is supposed to be paired with these pants. And these are the Alicia black pants in a size large. Now I didn't put them on because I just wanted you guys to see the detail. These pants have like a peplum skirt on it basically. Look at that. Tell me this is not fashion. This is so dope. So it has like a little skirt on it. So let's see how this looks together. They fit really good. It's just, you know, the belly. She was a little, you know, tough to get in. But this is the look, guys. Wow. It is a look. Wow, this is dope. These pants are so heavy. It's like such good material. It's ridiculous. My boobs are definitely gonna run away from me. Yeah, some double-sided tape faux show. But this is such a hot look. It's so dope. I feel super snatched in this, okay? Real dominatrixy. Like I got a whip, honey. Girl, we are winding down. These are my last two pieces and I actually got them to go together. So I'm just gonna show you guys this first number. This is the Nia's red dress in a size large. And I actually feel like I could have did like a medium large on top and a large on the bottom. But of course, I could just get this taken in. But it has like a corset bust top. I just love this neon red. It is festive, honey. This is you walk in the room, boom, boom. Like, stop. Look at me. Look at me. And that's this dress. So this is what the dress is looking like. Very cute. This dress definitely feels really good. I love it. It has like a built-in corset here. So it's definitely giving me that suck-in power. House of CB is notorious for that. And I'm loving it. The next piece is this Roberta fur, and guys, I have to tell you, for a faux fur, the quality of this is nutso. Like, I had to like double check because this feels like wow. So I got this jacket to go with it, and guys, it is so cozy. It feels so nice, bossy. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but that whole like drape the coat over your shoulder thing, it doesn't work for me. This is what it looks like on. It does have pockets, but it's a vibe. Like, it's a whole vibe. This coat though, like, excuse me. I have a reservation for 7:30. Tiarra Monet, yes. Yes. So that is it for my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any companies that you want me to do a haul on, let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new spots, you know, and just make sure I got stretched because you know I got a whole lot of, yeah, you know. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I'll be back. Happy Vlogmas. And yeah, I'm about to have some sweet potato pie, you know, team leftovers. Love you guys. Oh, hey guys.